Chiron Bugatti Chiron alongside Vision GT concept at Pebble Beach. The design of the new Bugatti Chiron followed pretty closely, it seems, to that of the Vision Gran Turismo that preceded it. Just how closely, it's hard to say, since we've never seen the two side by side in the same place. But that's just what the supercar manufacturer has in store in Monterey this year. For the first time, both the Chiron and the VGT concept will be showcased alongside each other, first at the Quail, a Motorsports Gathering, and then at the headline Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. The event will also mark the first time that the concept will be shown in the United States. The Vision Gran Turismo was designed for the cyberspace of PlayStation, but was also built as a show car, or at least a mock-up, and was displayed at the Frankfurt Motor Show last year. Its design closely foreshadowed the Chiron to follow, albeit with more racing appendages, including spoilers, competition spec rolling stock, and sponsor logos. The production Chiron, of course, is a much more elegant affair. And that much should come across clear as day when the two are displayed under the California sun in a couple of weeks.